Hey there, fabulous folks. Welcome back to Elegant Home, where we were about to embark on grand adventure of living room transformation. You know, that space where memories are made, where comfort meets style. Let's dive right in. Number one on our list, color magic. Soft neutrals for that timeless elegance or vibrant, bold hues for an electrifying atmosphere. It's your canvas, so let those colors tell your story. Now, let's talk furniture vista. Your sofa. It's your sanctuary after a long day's hustle. Choose one that practically beckons you to sink in. Accent chairs and coffee tables. They are the conversation starters that tie the room together. Cue the spotlight on radiant illumination. Natural light dances with the strategically placed lamps or pendants, setting the stage for a warm, inviting ambience. Let's not forget the accessories extravaganza cushions, throws, artwork, and our green companions, plants. Mix textures, flaunt patterns, and let those green breathe life into your space. It's like bringing the outdoors in. Now, let's get organized and optimized. Shelves, cabinets, and ottomans with hidden compartments. They are your secret weapons for a clutter free Zen zone. Because, let's face it, a tidy space equals a serene mind. And now, the piece the resistance, personal touches. You cherished memories, your story on display, photos, artwork, and souvenirs. Let them speak volumes about you and your journey. Remember, this is your living room tale, a journey of self expression and comfort. So, trust your instincts and let's create a space that's uniquely, beautifully, wonderfully you. If you are loving these tips, give that like button a high five and hit subscribe for more epic adventures in interior designs.